Ni hao. So today I'm still working on the control board, practice board, and today I'm gonna work on number number 12, and it's gonna be a 78 M05, and I did solder all the LEDs, and it was 97 of them. So I did do all those, and here's some of them right here. These are some of the LEDs. I did all of them, 97 of them. And here's more. And here's more that I did. I did do all of them. Here's number 96, and 97 is right here. Right here. So that was the last LED that I soldered on here. And they do work. I did use my voltage tester. I did put the dial on continuity. And I'll show you a couple of them that they do work. So these are some of the LEDs. So if I put one negative and positive leads on them, it lights them up. And this one's not lighting up. Try this one. They're not lighting up. They did. I have them the opposite. So I guess I had them backwards. So I'll try it again. And there it is. So they are working. I guess I had the leads backwards. I guess this is the positive side, and this one's the negative side. So you can see that they are working. The LEDs do work. It does. So they do work. I know they work because I tested them. So these ain't lighting up, but they do work. You saw the other ones working. So you did see some of them working, And like I said, this is a practice board, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm gonna put some flux on the board, and it's gonna be U26, which is this right here. So we'll put a little bit of flux. And this is what I'm going to be soldering. And you can see it's a 7 to 8 M05. And I don't know if there's another name for this, but if you know the name, I'd appreciate the comment. If you let me know in the comment what it's called. I'm turning on my soldering station on. I'm gonna let it heat up. I still have it at 212 degrees, so I'll let it warm up. I do clean it a little bit. It's at 220. So I will take my solder, put some on the tip. And then I'm gonna hold that down. And just put the tip on it. Hold it on there a couple minutes. I think these are called pads, so I'm gonna hold the pad, and I'm going to put some solder on it again on the other two. That one came out a little better. I think this one, it wasn't hot enough, but it still worked. Now I'm gonna do the top. Kind of acting like it's cold. So that's pretty good. I'm cleaning the tip before I put it back. And The solder, I don't know, it might be cold, but it still worked. It's still on there. So it's not great, but it'll do. I'm learning. So I'll clean it. I'll clean it a little bit and see how it comes out, how it turned out. And I think it looks pretty good. Could be better, but I'll keep practicing. Make things a lot better. So that'll be it for today. For this video, that'll be it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and like, and I appreciate the comments. Have a good night, and we'll see you next time.